Tom Yum soup is from Cambodia. It is very good. It is spicy and sour. You will like it. This soup will wake you up. It has many fresh ingredients. Lemongrass and galangal are important. First we make broth. Water is important for broth. Boil water with lemongrass. Galangal also goes in the water. Now you have tasty broth, see? Easy. Smell the lemongrass. Can you smell the galangal? Soon you will eat. Be patient. Now we add good things. Soup is a versatile dish that can be customized to your liking. Whether you prefer a hearty meal or a light snack, the ingredients you choose can make all the difference. Let's explore some delicious options you can add to your soup. Mushrooms are good in Tom Yum. They add a rich, earthy flavor that complements the tangy broth. Chicken is good too, providing a protein boost and a satisfying texture. If you're looking for a vegetarian option, you can use tofu. It's a great source of protein and absorbs the flavors of the soup beautifully. Shrimp is also good, adding a touch of sweetness and a delicate texture. What do you like? The beauty of making soup is that you can mix and match ingredients based on your preferences and dietary needs. You can put it in the soup. Make it your own. Don't be afraid to experiment with different combinations. Add some fresh herbs like cilantro or basil for an extra burst of flavor. You can also throw in some vegetables like bell peppers, carrots, or spinach to make it more nutritious. The possibilities are endless, and each addition brings its own unique taste and texture to the soup. Now we wait for it to cook. As the soup simmers, all the flavors meld together, creating a delicious and comforting dish. The aroma will fill your kitchen, making it hard to wait. But patience is key. Let it cook until all the ingredients are tender and the flavors are well combined. Enjoy the process and look forward to a bowl of homemade goodness. Section 4. Make it spicy. Time for chili. Chili makes it spicy. Adding chili flakes or chili powder can really elevate the flavor profile of your dish. It's all about finding that perfect balance between heat and taste. Start with a small amount and gradually increase it to suit your preference. Remember, you can always add more, but you can't take it out once it's in. Add a little, then taste. You can add more. This step is crucial because everyone's tolerance for spice is different. Some like it mild, while others prefer it fiery hot. By tasting as you go, you ensure that the final dish is just right for you and anyone else who will be enjoying it. Don't rush this process. Take your time to get it perfect. Lime juice makes it sour. Adding a splash of lime juice can bring a refreshing tanginess to your dish. It not only balances the heat from the chili, but also adds a layer of complexity to the flavor. Lime juice is a versatile ingredient that can brighten up the overall taste, making each bite more exciting and enjoyable. Sugar makes it a little sweet. A touch of sugar can work wonders in balancing the flavors in your dish. It can mellow out the acidity and heat, creating a more harmonious taste. Just a small amount is enough to make a noticeable difference. Be careful not to overdo it, as you don't want your dish to become overly sweet. Do you like it hot? Add more chili? Not too much. Taste as you go. Now it smells amazing. The aroma of the spices mingling together is simply irresistible. As the flavors meld, you'll notice the depth and richness they bring to the dish. This is the moment when all your careful adjustments pay off, resulting in a perfectly balanced, deliciously spicy creation. Enjoy the process and savor the final product. Section 5. Eat soup now. Soup is ready. The aroma fills the kitchen, inviting everyone to gather around. This is the moment you've been waiting for. The soup is hot, fresh, and absolutely delicious. Put it in a bowl. Add cilantro on top. The vibrant green cilantro not only adds a burst of color, but also enhances the flavor with its fresh, citrusy notes. Watch as the steam rises, carrying the delightful scent of the herbs. Green onions are good too. Chop them finely and sprinkle them generously. They add a mild, sweet flavor and a bit of crunch that complements the smooth texture of the soup perfectly. You can eat it with rice. Enjoy. The rice soaks up the rich broth, making each bite a delightful combination of flavors and textures. It's a comforting and satisfying meal that warms you from the inside out. You made Tom Yum soup. It was easy. With just a few simple steps, you've created a dish that's both impressive and delicious. The tangy, spicy flavors of Tom Yum are sure to be a hit. Now you can make it for your friends. Imagine the joy on their faces as they taste your homemade soup. It's a perfect dish for sharing, bringing people together over a warm, hearty meal. Enjoy the moment and the company.